Hi Chaitanya, good morning.
Good morning.
Chaitanya, share your screen and go through your topic.
Overview. In this practice, you will perform following these tasks: running the setup wizard, adding a new feature using enable feature. First one, running setup wizard. Assumption: you have the EPM cloud URL login credentials. Task: log into the EPM cloud through URL EPM server. Give username and password. Okay. Here it is. Give the username and password. Select financial consolidation and close. Select financial and console and close. Already selected. Click start to open the application setup wizard. Uh, Click start for setting up application wizard. Click start. Uh, Next, provide the application details and description as follows: name FCCS, description financial consolidation and close business process. Then click next. Okay. Give the application name. Click on next. In the detail page, provide the following details: number of months, 12 months. Okay, by default it's selected. Start and end year, 2020 to 2029. Select start year 2020 to 2029. First month of the fiscal year, January. By default it's selected. Main currency, USD. It is also selected by default. Multiple currency enabled. Okay, click on next. On the features page, select the following options: consolidation enabled. It is already enabled by default. Balance sheet hierarchy, traditional balance sheet approach. Traditional balance sheet approach. Journal adjustment, as with workflow. As with workflow. Multi-gap, yes with manual adjustment. As with manual adjustment. Intercompany data, as with the tracking. Intercompany entity aggregation, addition. By default, it's selected addition. PTA account balance sheet. Okay. Include ratio calculation, liquidity ratio, asset management ratio, profitability ratio, and leverage ratio. Enable these four. Ownership management, no. Okay. Custom dimension, product. Translated currency input, enable. Parent input, enable. Contribution input, enable. Supplemental data collection, enable. Click on next. In the review page, then click next and review the details on the review page. Okay. Then click create to start the application creation status. calculation will be created within 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, create option. Application creation successful. Application homepage will be visible once the application created successful. Here it is. Adding a new feature using enable features. You have finished the activity 2-1. Okay, completed. Task log into the FCCS application already logged in. Click application cluster and then select configuration card. Okay. After logging application, click on application, click on configuration. On the configuration page, click enable features. Okay. Click enable features. Then select ownership management, equity pickup, and partner elimination. Select here ownership management, equity pickup, partner elimination. Then click enable to enable the selected features. Click enable. Okay, confirm. You will receive the following message once your process is complete and the consolidation functionality that you are selected was successfully enabled. Before you can use these features, sign out and sign in again. The process will take a few minutes after clicking enable. Okay, then sign out and sign in again to enable these features. After completing this, click OK. Sign out and sign in again. Sign out, sign in again. Give the username, password. Navigating financial consolidation and close. In this practice, you will perform log into FCCS application, open the FCCS application, navigate a predefined dimension, forms, rules, and valid intersection, manage periods in the FCCS application, create a custom navigation flow and testing. First one, navigating financial consolidation and close. Assumption you have the EPM cloud URL and login credentials. Task login to the EPM cloud. Okay, we are successfully logged in. Part 2. In task, click application after logging in. Click application. Click overview to view the application information. Click overview. It is. Click the dimension tab to view the dimension details. These are the dimensions. Click actions to view the different actions available. Click actions. These are different actions. Import data, export data, copy data, clear data, validate the metadata, refresh database, remove application, inbox, outbox, explorer. Click the navigator icon. Okay. Select user preference under tools. Under tools, select user preference. Explore the options, the following categories. These are the options for user preference. Click navigator and select services under application. Click navigator under application, select services. Okay. These are these are the status and these are the name. Status means is of two types. Green is for running successful. It is for pending. Click the home icon to return to the home page. Click on home icon. Part 3 task. Click navigator, then select dimension under create and manage. Click navigator. Click dimension under create and manage. Review the predefined account in balance sheet. Balance sheet. These are the predefined. Click on home icon. Select the data. Click on home icon. Select data card. Under FCCS balance sheet, select FCCS balance sheet by period form. Under shift by period form. This is the form. Select this. This is the form page. Then click close to close the form. Here it is the option for close. Okay. Click the home icon and then select rules. Click on home icon. Select rules card. Click the launch icon and for consolidate business rule. Click launch icon. This is the launch icon. Review the fields, then click cancel. Review the fields means enter the members of every dimension. Click on cancel. Now click the home icon and then select valid intersection under the application cluster. Go for home icon. Select application cluster. Select valid intersection under application cluster. This is for valid intersection. These are predefined created. Part 4. Click the home icon. Select manage periods under the application cluster. Select application cluster under manage periods. Verify scenario as actual and select year as 2020. Scenario as actual already selected. Here it is years also selected by default. FY means full year. Note, in order to change the scenario and year, select dimension and change the members. Okay. Then click go icon. Here it is. Click the action icon at the end of the Jan row. At the end of the Jan row. Action. Click on open. Select open. Note the status of Jan will be changed to opened. Okay, it is opened. Task 3 2. Creating custom navigation flow. Click the home icon. Select the tools cluster and then select navigation flow. Select tools cluster. Select navigation flow. Click actions and then select create copy to create a copy of default navigation flow. We already have default. So click on action, create a copy. Give the following name: custom underscore nav underscore or a 001. Okay. ORA 001. Click OK. Then click OK. Okay. Click on the newly created navigation flow. Okay. Click on this. Remove the task dashboard infolet by clicking the remove icon. Here it is, remove icon. Remove the task. Then click yes in the dialog box that appears. Okay. Remove the dashboard. Remove the infolets. Now assign the navigator flow to any user groups. Click the magnify icon beside the assign to box. Assign to box. Here it is the magnify icon. Select service administrator group and then click OK. Select service administrator. Click OK. Then click save and close. Save and close. Select the inactive to make the navigation flow active. Here it is active, inactive. What we have created navigation flow, we have given the role as service administrator. Now log out and log into the application. Log out and log into the application. Oh, here it is the changes. There is no task card and infolett's card. Okay. You will notice that the task dashboard and infolette clusters do not appear to on the home page anymore. Okay, it has been appeared in. Repeat the steps from 1 to 13 this time. Give the name of the navigation flow as custom nav to go to default. It has been default. Repeat the steps from 1 to 13. This time, give the name of the navigation flow as an custom nav 002. Remove the task from the navigation flow and assign to power user. Okay. And that select tools cluster. Select navigation flow. By default, it has been created. Click on default. Create and copy. Give the name. Click OK. It has been created. Click on the navigation. Remove the tasks. Okay. Click on yes. Magnify icon. Give the power user role to this custom nav 002. Save and close. It was an inactive. Click on active. Okay. Login, logout and login has admin. You can now switch between them by clicking the navigation flow icon and then selecting flow. Here we have the flow. Logout and logout first. Login again. Here it is navigation flow what we have created recently. Here it is the changes. There is no task that is not appeared in this home page. This is the flow by default is for application create. By default it is created. Well, custom nav or a 001 has created and two also created by click on default. Select the default. Set the default navigation flow as active and set custom nav 001 and custom nav 002 has inactive. Logout and login has admin. Okay. Click on navigation flow. Please inactive these what we have created now. Inactive. Okay, it has been inactivated. Go to home icon. By default, it is created because we have inactivated. That's two. Next page. Setting up financial consolidation and close dimensions. In this, we will learn adding accounts and entities, adding members to the moment dimension, adding currencies. First, adding accounts and entities. You have you have completed the process of lesson 2. Yes, we have completed. Task log into the APM cloud admin. Has admin and password. Give the password to add account dimension member. Click navigator, then click dimensions under the create and manage. Go to click on navigator. Click on dimensions under create and manage. Select account dimensions. Expand FCCS balance sheet. FCCS balance sheet. Expand FCCS total balance sheet traditional approach. Okay. Expand FCCS total assets. Total assets. And then select the FCCS current assets account. Selected current assets account. Now click add child. Click add child. Give the name investments and alias name investments. Give the name investments. Alias name also investments. Then click save. Now under the investments account member, add a child account by selecting investments and then clicking add child. Click on investments, add child. Give name investments. If I'm correct. Current. Alias name investments current. And the data storage never share. Click on data storage, never share. Click on save. Okay. It's been created under the investments. Add two more child account under the investments account with the following details. Okay. Click on investments. Click on add child. Give the name first one. Collecting investment funds. Give the name alias name. Collective investments investment funds. Data storage has never shared. Here it is, data storage. Click on never share. Save this. It has been created. Click on investments again. Click on add child. And then name or bonds. For bonds. corporate bonds. Corporate bonds has created. Data storage never share. Click on save. By serial it has been created. First one, second and third. Make sure your hierarchy looks like the following screenshot. Yes, it is. Now select the entity dimension from the dimension drop-down. Select the entity dimension from this dimension drop-down. Select FCCS total geography, then select click add child. Click add child. Give name segments, alias name segments. Give the name segments. Alias name also segments. And base currency USD. Base currency as by default it's selected USD. Okay, click on save. Click save. Okay. Similarly, add a child under the segments dimension. Okay. Here it is the segments, and then click on add child. Give name en01 alias en01. Give the name en01 alias name also en01. Base currency USD. Base currency USD. Click on save. Child has been created under the segments. Now, under the EN01 entity, add two more child entities with the following details. Add two more child for EN01. EN01 underscore 05. Alias name EN01 underscore 05 underscore New York. 01 underscore 05 underscore New York. Base currency USD. Base currency also USD. Click on save. Next, add child for EN01. Now give the name en01 underscore 06. Slash name also en01 underscore 06 underscore Boston. 01 underscore 06 underscore Boston. Base currency, select USD. Base currency are selected. Click on save. It has been created now. Make sure the hierarchy looks like the following screenshot. Yes. Next, adding members on to movement dimension. Task on the dimension page. Select movement dimension from the drop down. Now select the movement dimension from drop down. Now selected. Search for FCCS and MVMTS subtotal in the search box. Then click search down. Okay. Select search this FCCS underscore yes underscore MVMTS underscore subtotal. It has been selected. Select as FCCMVMTS underscore subtotal, then click add child. Select this. Click on add child. Okay. Give name MVMTS underscore balance sheet. Name has MVMTS underscore MTS underscore balance sheet. And alias name changes in balance sheet. Balance sheet. Then click save. It has been created for subtotal. Balance sheet has been created. Adding currencies. On the dimension page, select currency dimension from the drop down. In this dimension, drop down, select currency. Yes, correct. Select USD in input currency. Select USD in input currencies. Selected. Then click add currency. This is the one. Add currency. Select EUR, then click save. Select EUR. Select EUR. Then click save. EUR will be added in the hierarchy. Okay, we will see that input currency URA has been added. Similarly, add AUD and GBP and INR. Click on USD, add child. Is add AUD. Select AUD. Select GBP. Here it is GBP. And go for next one INR. Okay. Click on save. Expand this. Expand input. Here it is added. Next, importing and exporting dimension members. In this, we can learn modifying metadata in metadata file, importing the metadata file, modifying a metadata.csv file, log into EPM cloud. EPM has admin with password. Okay, we are already logged in. On the home page, click application. On the home page, click application. Click overview. Click the dimension tab and then select quick export. Click on overview. Click dimension tab. Click on export option. On the export metadata page, click create. Here it is export metadata page. Click create. Here it is. Select the target location as local to export the file to your system. Already selected. Select the account and entity dimension to export. Allow account and entity dimension to export. Selected. For file type, Select comma delimited. File type, it has been selected, comma delimited. Click export and save the file locally. Click export. File has been saved. Close the export metadata page. Close the metadata page. Importing metadata CSV file. Task. Extract the expand metadata file .zip file. Okay. Open it. Extract it. Extract this. It has been extracted. Open the admin exported metadata account.csv file. Open the admin. Here it is, admin for account type. Click on this. Freeze the row of the file form in form in the view tab. Freeze this. In the view tab. Freeze the row. Select a row and freeze the top row. Okay. Freeze it. Now go to the last row of the file. Last row. Okay. Now go. Now enter the validate. Enter the following details in a new row for account, total account. Current account. LS default total account. Valid for consolidation paths. Data storage store. Data storage store. Data type currency. Here it is, data type. Currency. Hierarchy type dynamic. Hierarchy type dynamic. Dynamic. Account type revenue. Go for account type. Here it is, revenue. Time balance, time balance, balance. Skip value, none. Skip value, none. Variance exporting, variance reporting, variance reporting, non-expense. Next one, source plan type console. Source plan type console. Plan type console true. Aggregation console less. Data storage console never share. Okay. Keep the remaining details as is. Then click save as. Save the file as import.csv. Okay, giving this save as. Import file.csv. Give the name. Okay. Go to the browser and import file. Save it. It has been saved. Close the file. If it prompted to save the file again, select don't save. Don't save. Close this. Go back to your business process. Okay. While still the dimension tab, click import and click create. Click on application, click on overview, click on dimension, click on import, click on create. For the account, under the file type, select comma delimited as the delimiter option. Leave all the other options with the default values. Okay, browse to the account file, modify on the local system. Browse the file. Select this. Okay. Click import. Click OK without checking refresh database. Click import. Without checking refresh database, click OK. Click OK. Click jobs to check if the import is successful. Close this. Here we have the jobs card. Import metadata has been successful done. For the navigator, click the dimensions under create and manage, then check if the total account dimension was created successfully. Okay. Click on navigator, click on dimensions under create and manage. Check that total account is added or yes, it is added. Now import another account and entity dimension file available in your labs folder in a similar manner. File name account underscore import dot csv, file entity underscore import dot csv. Okay, we are already in the account we have already imported, so we have to import an entity. After that, select refresh database if import metadata is successful. Okay, click on home icon. Select refresh database if input metadata is successful. Okay, go to application, click on overview. Here, click on actions. Here it is the refresh database option. Click on that. Click on create. Click on refresh database. Click on refresh. Takes few minutes. Okay, click on finish. It running successfully or not. Go and check in jobs card and click OK. Here it is, we can see. Thank you.
Thank you, Chaitanya, for your valuable time. Have a good day.
Thank you, Srikanth.